guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Veronica, and today we're gonna be cleaning my office because I haven't been able to clean my office in a long time and it's really messy. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me in deep cleaning my office. First I'm gonna show you the before, and then we're gonna be cleaning together, and then I'm gonna show you the after. Okay, so let's go. So this is the quick view of my office. As you can see, it's not focusing really good. So we have the desk in there that is a big mess. Down there some chairs, in here a little table, another chair in there. In here I have my office, and then in here I have just that little lady in there, and everything is a big mess because I haven't had time to actually clean. So first thing first, I'm gonna be organizing my desk. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Let's go.
You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush. I'm doing something different. Your name's been on my tongue. My cup's been looking fuller. You're picking apart my walls, and baby, let's settle up. Cause lately the world's been going crazy, and I gon' need somebody to talk. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. I keep it tucked on my body cause I don't feel well. Girl, tell me something else. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. Hold up, simmer. Comfort queen, my squeezing knight who opens up this packaging's too tight. Whoa. And know you got it like that. Bring it on back, cause you got it like that. Ah, yeah. And know she got it like that. Sometimes desserts serve best when last. Oh, your daddy gonna beat my ass. Yeah, baby. One shoe, I can get enough. Spill twice, never wipe it up. Off the brakes and let these walls. If you've had enough, 10 spins to your own job. You salty with the sweetest cup. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust. Daddy gonna beat my ass. Yeah, baby. One shoe, I can get enough. Spill twice, never wipe it up. Off the brakes and let these walls. Sip fast if you've had enough. 10 spins to your own job. You salty with the sweetest cup. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us.
Okay, so far I just cleaned my desk. I didn't know that actually filming yourself cleaning was this hard. Like, I don't know where to put the camera. Anyways, so yeah, I finished my desk. So now I'm gonna clean under the desk, like all that printer area. And yeah, so let me show you what I have done so far. Kind of clean the desk area and organize all the books, everything. There is not a big mess in there anymore. I have my tablet in here that usually I like it more like there. Yeah, so I can use the tablet and I can use the computer. In there I organize all the books and stuff. So yeah, everything is clean, organized. There is a bunch of stuff, but that's because I love a lot of stationery, so I have a lot. But yeah, it's clean and organized. Made me want to work in there now. So yeah, in the top I also clean the dust in there, and yeah, the windows also. But now let's go into that mess in the bottom. So yeah, let's clean that.
Feel some pressure on my back. Let me shift a little. I might say a couple things and make you think a little. You like to think with your mouth, I like to think in riddles. You get a lot of time to think when you're in the middle.
Oh, hi there. So one thing that I like to do, I didn't do this before, but then my mother-in-law, she really likes to clean. So she told me that, you know, like I just took all the garbage in there and it's kind of dirty in there, so it's gonna smell. So I'm just gonna take some wipes and I'm gonna wipe it out. It's really clean in the inside, so yeah, I feel good for that. I don't have a lot of garbage, at least in this area. We still have to clean a lot. So it's already 11, and before continue with the cleaning, I actually want to go and have some food, some lunch. So yeah, I'm going to eat something and then I'm gonna continue cleaning, so let's go.
Sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. The moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, someone's calling, it's not me there. Scream and talk about your destiny, but sunshine, never mind. Give me all of your gray skies. I can't hide from the skies above.
So this is my lunch for today. I'm not really hungry, so I'm just gonna eat this. I really like the rice cakes, so I put rice cakes, avocado, some pickled mushrooms, salt, pepper, and some chia seeds that you can see in here. And then in here I put the same, but with egg and avocado. I'm gonna eat it with some apple sauce and some soy milk. So yeah, that's my lunch.
They're chasing me down, trying to find your love. I didn't mean to take it this far, but here we are crying in the back of my car, saying it's your fault, but it's okay, cause I promise I'll love you anyway. So sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. Yeah, the moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, can't see the future, can't see the past. I can only hope that this will last. Oh, sunshine, never mind, bring me all of your.
My camera kind of died when I was trying to clean up this area in here, so I finished cleaning and I want to charge my camera. So I just want to show you what I did in here, and then we're gonna clean that area in there. Okay, so I clean in here. You guys saw a little bit when I was like trying to get rid of all the garbage and all the papers that didn't belong in that area. So I cleaned that. In here I have some of my art supplies, and in here I have some of the canvas and more art stuff, and in here I have the tripod. In here I have another small tripod and the light ring. So I kind of clean that area. I also clean in here this stuff. So you have a lot of stuff, but it's more organized now. At least I know where it is now. And I also organized the second one. This is full of papers and books and notebooks. So yeah, I also put in here this corner. I don't know how that's called. That thing where I can stand up because I'm too small. And I also put in here some ruler. And yeah, so that's basically what I clean in here. This is not so bad for now, so I'm keeping it in that way. And also I drilled 2 of these screws in here to put the backpack for my computer and to put that other backpack behind the door, because I like to keep my office kind of like open the door. So it's okay, no one's gonna see it, only me when I close the door.
But it's still the same. You may be the one, but it could be a game. It took me too long to realize, oh, that I'm stuck on the ground while you're up in the skies. Oh, sunshine, never mind. Bring me all your gray skies, yeah. The moon never seems so bright. Can't see the future, no, I can't see the past. The sunshine, can you make this last? Love, don't let me go. Say what you need, but don't say it so loud, so you don't hear the words that you say that we both feel.
Okay, I finished organizing this. I still have a lot of stuff because I have a lot of stuff, but this is more like my art kind of card. So in here I have some pens that I don't use as often as the ones that I have in the desk, but I still use them, so I put them in here. In here I have some ink, some Japanese ink, some water that I use. In here I have small stuff. In here I have some for, like, how do you call it, stamp. In here I have some watercolors. In here some of the stuff where I put my watercolors. In here something to dry and clean my, you know, like my hands when I'm painting and stuff like that. Down here I come into the watercolors area and some painting. Here I have some paints. In here I have some pastels. In here watercolor. In here I have like the little plates to use to paint. Mostly is watercolors in here and paints and stuff. Down here I have all like the Sharpies and stuff like that I use often, but mostly like to writing and stuff, but not as often as the other one. And then down here all I have is this. I'm trying to learn how to do, I don't even know how you call it in English, like to make flowers and stuff, but this is different kind. I don't know how to explain it. I don't even know the name in English, but yeah, you know what I mean. In here I have some of my paints. In here I have oil, then I have watercolor, acrylics, and in here I have all the brushes for each kind of paint. So it's a little disorganized, organized, if you know what I mean.
Can't see the future, no, I can't see the past. The sunshine, can you make this last? Love, don't let me go. Say what you need, but don't say it so loud, so you don't hear the words that you say that we both fear. I'm still afraid to know what will happen when I let you go. When I let you go.
So I finished cleaning, so let's see now the after.